In this geometry lesson, we are told to find the missing side of this triangle, and it is labeled with a question mark. Before we begin, let's call this side A, let's call this side B, and let's call this very side C. Okay, we need to understand what we are given, what we know and what we don't know about this very triangle. We know that the side length AC is given to us as 6 cm. So AC is equal to 6 centimeters. We are also given that the area of this very triangle to be 12 centimeters squared. That's area to be 12 centimeters squared. The very thing we don't know is side length BC, and that is what we need to find in this very question. So BC question mark. So if we look at this very triangle, it's formed a right angle at side AC and BC. So angle at this very side. So since we have seen that this is a right angle triangle, so the area formula of triangle will be very perfect to solve this question. We know that area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. From the question, we can see that this slanted side AB, which is this, is a hypotenuse, and side AC, which we are given as 6 centimeters, is our base. So the side length joining the slanted side and the base, that is BC, is our height. So this is what we need to impute into this question to solve this. We know the base, but we don't know the height. The area we are given is 12 centimeters squared. This will now be equal to 1/2 multiplied by the base, which is 6 cm, multiplied by the height. Let's call height h. So this is 12 equal to, since this is multiplication, the order of multiplying does not matter. 1/2 multiplied by 6 is same thing as saying 6 divided by 2 multiplied by h. So this is 12 equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3 multiplied by h. 12 is equal to 3 multiplied by h is 3h. The next step is to divide both sides by 3. If we divide both sides by 3, here will be 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 3h divided by 3. When 3 divides 12, we have 4. When 3 divides 3 itself, we have 1. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 3 is 1. This is now 4 is equal to h, making our height h to be equal to 4 centimeters. So the missing side we are looking for, which is the height, is 4 centimeters. So this missing side is 4 centimeters. So we can confirm that we are correct. If our area, initial area, 12 centimeters squared, that should make the right hand side to also be 12. Therefore, if the formula is 1/2 multiplied by the base, which is 6, multiplied by our new height, which is 4, this should give us 12. Let's find out. So 2 into 2 is 1. 2 divided by 6 is 3. So this will now be 3 multiplied by 4, 12. So 12 is equal to 12. So since the right hand side and the left hand side are the same, 12 centimeters, 12, 12, that means that the height we got as 4 centimeter is very correct. The common mistake that students make is to use this slanted side AB as the height. So using line AB, the slanted side AB as height is very wrong. So note that whenever you are given such a question and the unit is in square centimeter or square meters or square foot or square anything used in measuring distance, note that that is our area. The other side in single units are our side lengths that we can use to get any missing side. The key idea in this question is that when you know the area and the base of a triangle, but the height is missing, this very height is missing, apply the area formula, which is 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by height, and substitute the known area and base and solve. Then you get your right answer, which is the height. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, kindly click on the like button. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed, so that you become part of our math community. See you on the next one.